So here's a neck reading light by TROND. It does have 2 lights here, which I won't be using for reading. I would actually be using for working on the cars, since I'm a mechanic, and this is very useful since I don't need to use my hands to hold a flashlight. They do stay in place, so I want to point it down, so that's pretty great. Here we can see the controls. If we want to turn it on, we just hold it and they're both on. We could change the color temperature. And on this side, that's it right here, there's a light here, and in the back we just hold it, they turn on. Different patterns. You want to turn it off, have it off, but here are the different temperatures, a brightness, and if you want to turn it off, you just hold on to the on and off button. It does come with a Type-C to USB charger. It does have a working time of 5 to 30 hours depending on what lights you use and how long and what brightness. Very lightweight, so it won't be that heavy on your neck. I'll be working on a car, reading a book. Super lightweight, I almost don't feel it if I want to control it. Color. And of course if I want to turn on the other lights. Here's how it looks if you have it around your neck.